Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Seaside Profits, which launched on the 6th of December at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to be going through this new release from the Green Team from Ireland of Fergal Downs, Aidan Corkery and Noel Cunningham. And what it essentially does is it shows you how to create a residual monthly income using two separate methods. The first is a done-for-you method where you'll effectively just be given some links that you can share to two offers that will get you sales that result in residual monthly income. So if you're brand new and you're just looking for a very easy way to set up something that can get you monthly payments month after month, then the done for you method will enable you to easily do that. It's especially useful if you're currently unable to get approval for offers, for example, in affiliate marketing because you're brand new. The second, more intermediate method is that it will actually teach you how you can build your own membership sites and in return use those membership sites to generate a regular recurring monthly income. So it's a double whammy approach. So if this sounds like it's something of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Seaside Profits from the link immediately underneath this review. There are 5 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, as usual, folks, I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Seaside Profits, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special. So what is Seaside Profits all about? Well, let me just get rid of this side panel here. It's a simple done-for-you system and a step-by-step training which equals a passive monthly income. You can use the exact method that currently earns Fergal $1,814.79 a month while he sleeps. And you can watch the sales video either here or on my bonus page. It gives you everything you need to create a life-changing passive income, a never-before-released method, no prior online experience or technical skills needed. It includes step-by-step training and 2 done-for-you recurring income funnels. That's the done-for-you method. 4 viral traffic methods included. Proven method for making passive online income for real. Just takes minutes to get set up and start making money. And this is the exact method that Fergal used to automate his income and move to a tropical island off the coast of Spain. So he's given up Galway and switched it for Las Palmas, I think. Difficult choice if I had to choose between the two, because to be fair, Galway has got a hell of a lot going for it. I speak as someone who lived in the Republic of Ireland for 5 years, and Galway on the west coast of Ireland is also beautiful. There's loads and loads of culture. There's so many good things I could say about Galway, but the one thing that it doesn't have is the weather. And so if I did have to choose between the two, I'm probably with Fergal that I would reluctantly go for the tropical island. But that's not to denigrate Galway in any way, which is a wonderful part of the world. All right, so this is the JV page. Actually, that's not what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you inside. Yeah, so this is Seaside Profits. So we'll also be going through this. We will go back to the JV page to look at the funnel, which is what I actually brought you here for. There we are. We'll go through that. And I've also got some vendor bonuses, some additional vendor bonuses, which I will go through in just a second. All right, folks, so let's get cracking with this. So when you click through to the link under here, the first thing that will happen is that you come through to this page here, and this video that I'm recording will be in that space. So what's Seaside Profits all about? Well, we've already been through that. That is the stuff that was on the sales page, and this is the sales video. So let's just get a quick flavour of that.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Fergal Downs here, and I'm recording this video for you today from Las Canteras Beach here in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, which is up.
Okay, so it's actually, yeah, he's in the Canary Islands. That's where he actually lives these days. So it's a lot warmer than Galway. We'll have to give him that. All right, so what am I going to give you in my custom bonuses? Well, the first thing is that I'm going to give you one of my best-selling products, and that is a product called Mucal Moolah. Now, why am I giving you this product? Apart from the fact that it's a pretty good product, if I do say so myself, but for two specific reasons that are related to Seaside Profits. The first one is that one of the 5 methods that I teach in Mucal Moolah actually shows you another way that you can make a residual monthly income. So if it's residual monthly income that you're interested in, then you will appreciate this. Secondly, one of the bonuses that's included in Mucal Moolah as part of the training is actually a link to my first product, which is called Cashless Creator. So what that will actually show you how to do is how to make money from membership sites. Now, admittedly, the method that I teach isn't a recurring monthly income, but it is nevertheless a really good steady income stream. So this product here, Mucal Moolah, will give you lots of additional training and ways that you can make both a residual income and money from membership sites, the exact things that are taught in Seaside Profits. So that is my first bonus. The second bonus that I'm going to give you is the 7 top niches online that you can make money from. So a bit of a training there on how to identify them. Thirdly, I'm going to give you this training on the $1 million sales funnel. This isn't one of my sales funnels, sadly, but it is an actual sales funnel that has generated $1 million for its owner. So I'm going to show you exactly what that is and how you would set one up. Next, I'm going to show you the 3 best affiliate funnels that you can use in 2019 that will get you the most number of leads, the most number of prospects, the most number of sales. And finally, I'm going to show you 5 killer lead magnets that you can use today to get new sign-ups to any of your offers. So I hope you can see there, folks, there's a lot of stuff there that will complement the main front-end product of Seaside Profits. So let's just head back to the sales page. I'm not going to spend too much time on it, folks, because it is a sales page, so it does what you expect. It would, you know, it will be trying to sell you stuff. So let's just gloss through this. There's the triumvirate, the trinity, if you like, of Aidan Corkery, Fergal Downs, looking very much the Irishman there, and Noel Cunningham. So they are the guys. There's Fergal out and about in Gran Canaria. I'll let you read this yourself, folks, because, as I said, it is a sales page. You will discover, let's just go through these points, why passive income is the answer and how to get started today, how to get your first recurring income funnel set up within a few minutes, why most passive income methods aren't actually passive income methods at all, and why Seaside Profits is different, the simple no tech skills needed way to create money while you sleep, 4 viral traffic methods that make it easy to get traffic started, how to get started making a life-changing passive income without spending any money beyond the initial investment, in other words, free traffic, and 3 simple steps to scale things up. Here we're talking the 2 done-for-you recurring funnels. Step 1, use the step-by-step video training. Step 2, activate one of the 4 included viral traffic methods. And step 3, enjoy your passive income and rinse and repeat. And that is pretty much the sales page. Let's just scroll down. Usual testimonials and income proofs, as you would expect on a sales page. Just $9, folks, if you're quick. Yeah, $9 you can pick this up for. It'll be going up slightly during the launch period. What are you going to get as well as normal standard vendor bonuses? Firstly, elite buyers traffic. Secondly, ultimate bot opt-ins. Bonus 3, untapped bot traffic. These guys are the bot experts, by the way. Bonus 4, Facebook bot traffic. Bonus 5, emoji traffic. Bonus 6, super solo traffic. These guys are really good at getting traffic from bots. They've got loads of best-selling products. So this is an absolute steal at $9, folks. I have to say that. Let's take you then into the members area. So this is the overview from Fergal. Let's just have another quick look.
Okay, what's up everyone? Fergal Downs here again, and I'm back in from the beach, and I'm inside my my apartment here in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. So let's get started with Seaside Profits. First of all, a quick welcome here. These are the guys that you're looking at here. I know you saw me in the previous videos, but this is us in Dublin, the Team Green. We've got Aidan Corkery here on the left-hand side. We've got me in the middle with the notoriously bad hair day that day, and we got Noel over here on the right-hand side of the video. So we call ourselves Team Green in the internet marketing world because we're all from Ireland, so that's basically why we call ourselves Team Green. So that's who you're going to be dealing with here inside this course, but mostly me inside the Seaside Profits members area.
All right, so that's just giving you a flavour of the setup there. So we've got two parts to this. So part one is essentially just lesson 2, yeah? So what we've got here is two completely done for you products that you literally just plug in and play. Let's just go over to that if I can. And you just get your links and start promoting these done for you products. It's as simple as that. And then the rest of the course from, sorry, it's disappeared for a second there. From number 3 onwards, lesson 3 onwards, is creating your own membership site. So your own membership product, and everything else in here down to the remaining 16 lessons are all about how to set up your own membership site with its own membership area and use that to create recurring commissions every month of the year on an ongoing basis. So that is essentially Seaside Profits, what it's all about. Let's just have a quick look at the vendors bonuses. So these are the bonuses that I've been given by Team Green to give to you. Let's have a look at what they are. So the first one is Easy Pie, a unique crash course will show you how to get up and running with affiliate marketing. Second bonus is Email Marketing Specialist, exclusive email marketing course. The third one is Broadcast Marketing, which is a real life $4,000 case study. Bonus 5 is Pinnacle. Use any niche Facebook ads. Bonus 5, traffic problem solved, obviously about getting traffic. Bonus 6, quick affiliate sniper, how to rank your videos in the first page of YouTube and Google. Bonus 7, snowball traffic, learn how I built a Facebook group from scratch. And bonus 8 is a VIP training workshop. To get these, folks, all you have to do is to drop me an email with the subject in Seaside Profits vendor bonuses. All right, Seaside Profits vendor bonuses, and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. All right, give that one more time. Just drop me an email with the subject line Seaside Profits vendor bonuses and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup, ELITE, Elite Tigers plural, elitetigersgroup.org, with your receipt. And then I will send you the links for all of these 8 special bonuses. And finally, let's have a look at the sales funnel. So we know the main training at the moment, you can get it for $9. You won't have to pay any more than $14.95 for it during the launch. The first upsell is a done for you bundle. This includes it's $37. It includes guaranteed approval to promote high converting affiliate offers, 10 times your results with done for you coupon codes, done for you eye grabbing voucher images, done for you high engagement Facebook posts, done for you ManyChat follow-ups, and done for you lead magnets. So that is bonus number 1, or upsell number 1. Upsell number 2 is buyer extractor case studies, which is $17. Getting people from Facebook onto a bot is probably the most challenging thing you'll encounter when you begin to grow your bot list from scratch. With these 6 buyer extractor case studies, you'll get tried and tested techniques that will easily enable you to get buyers from Facebook onto your bot landing pages. It's highly recommended for new marketers starting out, this one. Bonus 3 is Done For You Buyer Bot, which is $197. That is a completely automated system that will quickly turn your traffic and leads into buyers that will put money in your pocket. And bonus number 4 is one-on-one coaching for $97. Very, very cheap to get coaching from this team for that price, folks. You'll learn how to build up messenger bot subscribers and a buyers list. Again, this because these guys are the experts at that. A real great opportunity to be coached and mentored by a 6-figure earner. Folks, I charge $197 for my coaching, and it's fair to say that the members of Team Green are further on than I am. So to get coached by them for less than half the price of what I charge, that is what I call a bargain. All right, so do seriously think about that. And that is pretty much it, folks. So if you want to pick this up, and why you wouldn't, I don't know, and get all of these extra bonuses, including my product there, Mukal Moolah, which is on sale at the moment, by the way, and still selling at $11.95. So even if you just want my product, it would actually be cheaper to buy this, and then you'll get it for $9 instead of $11.95. All right, and then just click any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Add to Cart for $9, and then that will bring you back into your members area here. Click on the green button to access Seaside Profits, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. Really like this, folks. Going to give it 4.5 stars out of 5, like most of the stuff that Team Green does, in fairness. All that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on subscribe underneath, and you'll be informed every time I bring a new recording out. Until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Seaside Profits.